Welcome to Techie Life. Alright. Welcome back to the channel, guys. You saw that. We'll just kick that to the side. Here we go. We got another one. We got this about 2 days ago. I'm a little late, a little behind on videos here. Haven't released a video in a good while. But we have another package here that I'm gonna be opening here. Welcome to Techie Life, guys. Anyway, let's get started here. So, honestly, I'm not too sure. Man, I gotta sharpen my knife. I'm not too sure what's in here, to be honest with you. Come on, let's go get in there. Yeah, my knife's kind of dull now. Anyways, let's see what's in here. Let's see. Uh-oh. Looks like we got, check this out, ready? The Wyze doorbell. Interesting. Oh, this is a small package too. I was expecting something a little bit more, bigger. I mean, look at this. My knife is way bigger than this. Let's compare this Sharpie right here. Look how small this package is. Wyze doorbell. So it's a wired doorbell with a chime. Answer your door from anywhere. And let's see what else. So 1080p. And this is a 3:4 view. It's more native to your phone than a Ring. So this is going to be a little bit probably better in essence that whenever you open up your phone, you don't have to tilt sideways, like this video. Anyways, it's got night vision, 12-second clips like the regular Wyze, motion detector, IP65, waterproof, two-way auto person detection, but it needs a subscription with it. So this comes with the doorbell itself, and there's a chime as well. Yeah, we'll see some other stuff in there. Let's see here. Made in China. So this is, let's see if we can get a look at the stats here a little bit more clear. There we go. So 2.4 gigahertz. Wi-Fi, compatible with Android and iOS, water resistant, and its input is 16 to 24 volts AC. I'm not too sure what that greater than is. Volts A. Okay. So let's see. Let's check it out. Let's see what do we got in here. Let's cut this open here. Alright, bam! We are introduced with the speaker or chime. Pull this thing out. So this chime is okay. So it's like a plug. It plugs in. It's got a little button here. The speaker, and that's about it. Let's look a little bit more into this here. What does it say? What does it say here? Okay. Input less than 1 amp, less than 0.1 amp. So 100. Okay, well. Alright, that's nothing, nothing too much. Oh, look at this. Isn't Wyze nice? They always give me these. So you can get these by basically purchasing or pre-order any of these products before they're on sale. So we're presented with this quick start guide. Basically, yeah, quick start. So we got here. Let's see what we got in here. Yes, I know my thumb is ugly. Ugh. What is this? Oh, this is a little wedge. So this is so if you have a side door that you kind of don't have an option for, kind of like the Ring. The Ring has They sell multiple ones for that, but this one includes it. So thanks Wyze for not cheaping out. So this thing pops up. So basically you mount this to the wall. Boom. If the wall is a side wall, you can put this and mount it on there, and then now your camera faces towards the at least 90 degrees more this way, or not 90 degrees, 45 degrees. So you got that. You got hardware. Looks like we got some ties for the power, and then some extenders. I believe these are extenders for the unit itself. 2 anchors, 2 wall anchors. Now let's go ahead and swoosh this that way, and let's look at the camera, because this is like the smallest camera pretty much that I've seen as far as like a standalone camera. Wow, this is really small, guys. So it's gotta put you on hold. Alright, so we're gonna disregard that since I was interrupted here. So let's go ahead and open this. I'm gonna go ahead and check this out. So we got these 2 terminals where we plug in. Looks like this is where it hooks into here. Snap in, and a hook. There it is. The camera has a push button here. You can hear it. It's not bad. It's doesn't. I mean, it's kind of weird when you're walking up and you're like, oh, this is where I push it. It's not like the Ring doorbell that's like weatherproof and you know that that's the button you have to press. So I don't know. I mean, I guess it's not really a big deal. But everything else, it's pretty simple, pretty small. I wish I could show you the other, or the Ring camera. Actually, hold on one second. I'm gonna show you the actual Wyze cam, just to kind of give you a perspective here. Look at this. So obviously it's much smaller. Yeah, that's why I said it's this is a small camera. I mean, it's in retrospect of how it is. This will be pretty neat to I guess give it a whirl, whatnot. I don't have 16 AC volts in here available, so I can't really do it now. But I will hook it up later on, and then we'll give it a whirl and see how it goes. So stick around, guys.